Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the outer door assembly on your microwave oven, be sure to shut off the power supply to the oven junction box. Open the oven door and use a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill out the rivet securing the sliding arm to the door. Insert a paperclip through the hole in the arm to prevent it from sliding back through the frame. Now insert a flathead screwdriver into each door hinge to hold the hinges in place. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws, securing the door to the hinges. Slide the door off of the hinges and set it on a sturdy surface with the handle side down. Use a small flathead screwdriver to help remove the 2 screw hole plugs. You can now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the inner door panel to the outer door assembly. Lift off the panel and set it aside. Now unthread the screws securing the door handle to the outer door and set the handle aside. Prepare the new outer door assembly for installation by aligning the door handle and securing it with the screws. Align the inner door panel. Slide it up and thread the screws to secure. Snap in the screw hole plugs. Slide the door assembly onto the hinges. Thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Remove the screwdrivers, as well as the paperclip from the sliding arm. Align the sliding arm with the door anchor. If necessary, punch out the old rivet from the bushing. Insert the bushing into the arm and secure with the new rivet. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the microwave oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.